Bird and Kip, Episode 51, The Pond. Kip fell off the snowball. He slid across the frozen pond. Finally, he stopped. Kip sighed.
Oh, Bird was right. I can't play in the snow now. I'll go back home.
He climbed to his feet. But then, whoosh! The ice was very slippery. Kip fell hard. Bam!
Ouch!
Cried Kip. Kip got back on his feet. His feet slipped again. Bam!
Ouch!
Kip cried again. Carefully, Kip stood up again. He walked slowly. He slipped and fell 4 more times. Finally, Kip was off the frozen pond. He climbed back up his tree. He took off his snow gear, and he got back into bed. Later that day, Bird woke him.
The blizzard is over, Kip,
Said Bird.
Let's play in the snow.
Kip moaned.
Maybe tomorrow, Bird. I'm done playing in the snow today.